Happy days are here again. Ayan, magsisimula na yung PBA now. Andito, ha? Schedule. Kanina pa kami nagtatalo-talo dito. Ano yung mga must-watch? Personal choices natin to, di ba? Na must-watch PBA games in October. Okay? There are a lot, but ito ang aming hand-picked games to watch out for. Carlo, ano sa'yo?
Lakers versus Miami.
PBA! PBA!
Nalito lang.
Oh.
Yung sa mga first week nung PBA, hinihintay ko yung San Mig Coffee versus Alaska.
San Mig Coffee, that's October 5.
October 5.
Second game. Bakit yan? Why should people watch that
Nandyan
game?
pa rin kasi yung storya nung Tim Cone versus Alaska.
Feeling mo ba that story will never die?
Not this year. Not yet. And to think na... pero buhay pa rin yan eh. Tapos to think na may bagong sistema tong Alaska. Na last year kasi hindi masyadong maganda yung naging laban kasi tanggapin na natin, medyo mahina yung Alaska last year. But then they retooled. Ngayon parang
they're looking good.
Sa sa tune-up games natin.
First-hand experience, they're looking good.
Nadali ba kayo ng Alaska?
Medyo.
Ako excited ako para dyan. San Mig versus Alaska.
And then what's your other choice?
My other choice, yung medyo late na yan eh. October 26. Matutuwa sa akin si Charles. Global Port Batang Pier versus Petron Blaze Boosters.
Why?
Thank you.
Isa lang yung rason ko dyan eh.
Okay.
Assistant Coach Charles Tew versus Assistant Coach Raiko Toro.
Bakit ka natatawa?
Hindi. Ano yun? Sinister laughter. Kasi feeling ko yari si Coach Raiko.
Medyo lang.
Pero seryoso. Gusto mo makita yung matchup ni Junmar Fajardo versus Raba Alusain.
Are you serious?
Yes!
Junmar Fajardo,
Yes!
the Kraken
Yes!
versus Raba.
Yes!
Why?
Gusto ko lang makita.
Classic yun nung college days. They had some battles.
Ano yung sinabi ni Raba tungkol kay Junmar?
Wala pa naman. Tatanong ko pa lang.
May sinabi ka kanina eh.
Parang may
Hindi ko alam.
sinabi.
Hindi, I just know nung college, nananalo si Raba kay Junmar.
Nung college.
Siyempre, yung team niya mas malakas. Pero,
So if I ask Raba now,
I don't know. We'll see. I'll ask him tomorrow.
tapos next week, ha?
Okay, next week.
Ano yun natin. Okay. So ano yun? So yun yung dalawa mo.
San Mig versus
Alaska, which is October 5.
Yes.
And October 26, Global Port versus Petron. Because you want to see Junmar and Raba.
Yung coaches nga gusto niya makita.
Sorry. Tsaka,
Supporting main event yung
tsaka
yung
the chess match between Assistant Coach Raiko Toroman
Okay.
and Assistant Coach Charles.
We won't let you down.
Thanks.
Okay ka lang. Ayos ka lang. Okay, ano ang must watch for the fans?
Easy. All Global Port games.
Hindi.
Must watch.
Ibig sabihin yung mga
PBA fans.
for the fans.
okay.
So not just
Global
for
Port
Global
fans.
Port fans, but you
Sige,
know.
I think one here is October 3. It's Petron versus Rain or Shine.
Why?
Syempre,
Why Petron
It's
Rangers?
my personal pick, so of course it's my brother's first game in the
Ah,
PBA. And I think
tama.
it'll be interesting to see. A lot of doubters are doubting whether he'd play well sa PBA. And of course, it's a chance to go up against a team that passed up on him sa draft. And it's also a new look, the first look of the Petron team, which is running a new system under their new retooled staff, diba? So it will be an interesting game. And also,
Dali lang.
bakit? Tapos na ako. Okay.
Diba, a lot of people think na, parang ang pinaka-hihintayin ni Chris is Ginebra because, people thought that Ginebra would get Chris Chu. Well, actually, di ba yung Petron may balak din sana siyang kunin at number 3.
Yes, exactly.
Di ba?
It should be a big against Toroman pa in their team. Kasi I don't think Marshall's healthy, so but still, it's also the first chance to see Fajardo in a PBA game, his first ever game. So
Against Excel Rice.
yun.
Kraken.
Good welcome.
Versus Canin.
Bagay.
At least the Kraken versus the Canin. Okay. Ano yung isa mo pa na...
Medyo late na.
Medyo
November 4.
Tagal
It's actually
naman.
a triple header. Whereas
Grabe,
see that.
triple header.
And the game that I want you guys to see is Barako versus Batang Pier, Global Port.
Because?
Syempre. Really, it's the San Mig Coffee Mixers versus Ginebra San Miguel on that day. And renewing the rivalry El Clasico. And a triple header pa from a long weekend. So, should be a nice treat for the fans.
That's a triple header. Barraco against Global.
Tapos papalabasin lahat ng tao.
Walay
Sold
ticket.
out.
Walang ticket.
Beralco versus Ross, and then San Mig versus Ginebra. Wow. Triple header of happiness.
Sa'yo.
Sa akin, October 7, rain or shine against Ginebra.
Wow.
Because again, it's the Christu angle na ano ba talaga, ano ba yung tama, Ellis ba o Christu, magtapat sila diyan, and let them decide on the court. And then the October 28 game, Ginebra against Alaska. This October 28, I'm not sure if pwede na dito si Calvin Abueva because mahaba yung mahaba yung NCAA.
It will be his first ever game.
Kasi yung season ng NCAA kasing haba ng season ng PBA. Medyo haba. But hopefully baka nandyan na si Calvin. If not, okay pa rin because you have the LA Tenorio angle naman. So Tenorio, JV Casio, that should be a good one. So yan ang aming must-watch games for October at isang November.
Global Port.